Hello everyone, welcome back to AMC India YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make papadoi. Let's get started. To make papadoi, I am adding curd, 1 cup of curd. Beat the curd and make sure there are no lumps. Into this, I am adding condensed milk, 200 grams of condensed milk. One cup of milk. Beat everything well. Everything is mixed well. Now I will transfer this into 16 centimeters combi bowl. I am sprinkling cardamom powder. Now we have to steam this. To steam papadoi, I am using 24 centimeters height. I'm switching on the flame. I'm adding 1 cup of water. Place an inverted grater and place the mixture on it. Now I'm going to use Easy Quick Lid. I'm setting the audio therm in steaming window for 10 minutes. Audio therm is connected with mobile app. It has reached steaming window. Now I am switching the flame to low and switching off the sound. Steaming time is completed. I am switching off the audio therm. Papadoi is steamed. Now we have to chill it for a bit and then serve. It's been chilled in fridge for 15 minutes. Now I am removing the edges. I am topping it off with some dry fruits. Papadoi is ready.